All right, it's the time of the year to start barbecuing. I'm going to show you a couple of things I have. Because it's the little bag, all right, first of all. Everything you see is in here, including this, the weight masher, and you're going to do some great hamburgers. Look at this. This is actually, we're going to actually use this to grill some great hamburgers. Some tongue. This is to chop off anything you have or mix around. Look, it elevates a little bit. You want to grill some stuff, maybe shrimp, tacos, or something. And there's some more mixed or more spatulas here. Lots of more spatulas. Salt and your pepper. All right. Then of course hanging utensils, so you can hang all this material on your grill. You got this to clean your grill. You got more here to mix them around. Smaller one, and look at this large one. Now this is a cover. If you're gonna, season some stuff underneath of it, there's a little water, steam stuff in there is really good. You got your water and your oil pins to make some sort of heart-shaped designs. If you want to do eggs, you got your heart here. Some chopper, really good. But this is what I was looking for. Is it too high? I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'll be back, right? The reason we're doing this because we don't have a lot of onions.
Yeah, we're being stingy.
And everybody's gonna finish them. You forgot the sauce on it.
I did. I put it on the bottom.
Ooh.
Then there's a nice burger right there.
Ooh.
I'll take a bite.